Hi guys, this is Towers Bull the Wanderer once again. Welcome to my channel. Today we're hitting Brick Lane Road, London. Come and join us. Brick Lane is located in the east part of central London. It is a cultural, ethnic and artistic hub where millions of people come to explore year-round. Brick Lane has always been famous for its authentic curry restaurants. Most of the shops are closed right now on an early Sunday, so let's just walk around and see what we can enjoy. Walk, walk, walk! How are you?
I'm alright, my friend. Have a good day with your family.
Thank you.
That's all, yeah?
Do you want another one?
You want?
No combination of all or? Okay.
Do you want one? Okay.
Yeah.
Which one you wanna try that?
No noodles.
So it's gonna be £1 extra.
Okay.
on the chicken.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
And that one.
Yeah.
And
This one,
And this.
this one, and this one.
Sure. Hey guys, you right? Just give me 1 second, I'll be with you.
Who cooks this? You.
Yes.
Are you Chinese?
This is not.
Me? Yeah, I'm Chinese. Half Chinese, half Pakistan, half Bangladesh. You can say Paki Chang Bang. There you go.
Thank you.
That's it? Oh, it's yummy. Yummy, yummy.
That's it, guys. Gorgeous street foods, street markets, vintage stores, a few graffitis on the wall, a few drinks. I hope you enjoyed the Brooklyn Road. I'll see you next time. Bye.